back to another ChartNerdTA video. Today I am diving into CHILIZ. This is on the daily time frame against Tether US on Binance. And basically what I think happened here for CHILIZ is, it held a level of support down here in September. It came up, ran into another level of resistance right here. See this previous resistance, which you fell into a horizontal here. You came in, boom, boom, boom. You lost support, so that was your level of resistance to that horizontal, and you ran into it. And from there, you came back. You created a higher low for yourself. You coiled up. It's choppy, choppy, choppy. You had a bit of a correction, and you found a level of support. And so you got a low there and a higher low here. And then you came up and you broke out that level of resistance, and that's where you saw your impulsive breakout for CHILIZ, where essentially you've created this higher high here and you've got this low, so you're coming up, bang, 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 correction, and you're looking to find support and move on here for CHILIZ. So if I just take all those off quickly, I just wanted to show you something that's happened here recently for CHILIZ. Since that breakout on the 27th of October, CHILIZ appreciated within the space of a few days. It's about 138%, and that just gave a bit of confidence that you're kick-starting the gears in here for CHILIZ and looking to move on. But I do believe you came up into some sort of, look, you had this level of resistance, a level of support, and you came up in this rising channel or rising wedge, and you lost support of that right there. And you'd have had a technical target from that rising wedge, which would be from the breakout, where you found support here to the the breakout of the falling wedge, and you can see that where you fell out, look where you've found support. Look where you've wicked down to, and the buying pressure's come back in and you've been picked back up. That is bullish. You've come up in this ascending triangle, lost support of it, came down, and you found a level of support. You didn't find it straight away, you ran back up to this level of resistance, but you've come down now, found that as support, and you've got your pickup. So potentially you could be on your way here for CHILIZ, and at the moment we could also potentially be just marching our way forwards and looking for continuation. So my predictions for CHILIZ for this bull run, if we zoom out here, this is on the weekly. I'm going to go from the September correction. Actually, let's go from that correction there to the all-time high. That was that in May, wasn't it? Yeah, May. So from May to the all-time high, my predictions for CHILIZ are $2.77, which is a price increase of about 482%, and that's the minimum target. And you do have to bear in mind how much CHILIZ has actually appreciated since January 2021, November 2020 to look at that, 10,557%. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I don't see massive gains here. Potentially you could get to the 2 at $5, but you are conforming to a lovely structure here. You can see that, look, on the weekly you had a on the weekly time frame. When you zoom out, you get much better perspectives of it. You had your A, your B, your C correction right there, massive ABC correction, found support, and potentially right now you are creating 5 waves within Elliott wave, and looking, this potentially could be your 1, that's your 2, and potentially this is waves within waves of a wave 3, which could be huge. This is potentially where you could come up, say, to the all-time high, fall back to the 786 for support, and get that $2.77 in through this Elliott wave structure, and you basically flipping the switch here. And as you see here, what you'd be doing if you did come up to this level in the all-time high and hit resistance and fall back, you could potentially have your left shoulder, a massive head right there, and where you get to that all-time high and come back here, you can have your right shoulder, and you'd just be in breakout targets everywhere at that stage. It'd be something like that, there to there, and you can see that kind of ties you above the 1272. So it's just patterns within patterns, and it's not an exact play that can play out for CHILIZ here, but you're looking bullish, you're flipping a switch, and you're breaking out of all sorts of patterns here. So yeah, that's a short video today. Take care, guys. Until next time, from ChartNerdTA. Peace.